are going to be talking about preparing for the typhoon. So the first thing we need is water and canned goods. Second, we need flashlight and candles. Of course, we're going to need this for candles. Okay, so if this runs out of battery, we're using this. Very useful, just in case of emergency. And the third one, is this, about messenger. We need food. For the food, I got Pringles and stuff, got water in my bag, and I also got this for the messenger. Has here, this kit has all my needs, like the bandages, and it also has wipes. I have eczema, that's why I need L'Occitane. And I also got this for praying for our family. I got my toothbrush, I got my shampoo, has everything that I need. Come on. And then, at last, we have our passport. My passport. Our family, we have family of 5. Yeah, so it's our passport. Also, you need portable charger in case of emergency that you are going somewhere. You might need it full battery, so if you need to call the ambulance or you need to call your dad, your mom, you will need this. And you will need all your iPads and your cell phones and laptops. And make your car full gas. Yeah, thank you for watching. And I hope you get all the things you need.